G'day everyone, today it's a family day out here at Ride Park. Rob has been generous enough to let us enjoy the day out here by ourselves. We've been out on the junior track. There's 3 junior tracks out here. We've got an intermediate track, a pro track and a flat track, and we've been on all of those tracks. It's been a fantastic time. Not very often we get out to go riding, do we guys?
No, not together anyway.
Yeah, not together. It's the first time we've been together. So Cam, tell us about the tracks that Rob's got here out at Ride Park.
We've got 3 junior tracks. So we've got one for real little kids for like Pee-wee 50s, and then we've got like an intermediate one for them, where it's sort of, you got a little bit of rollers and a little bit more corners, a little bit faster. Then you step up to like the bigger bikes where I think you can only get 65 cc's on there, and that's where it's got bigger jumps, a little bit longer straights and bigger corners on it. Then we've got the intermediate track where it's Dad and I mostly ride on there, and then we move on to the pro track where it's a full MX national track. Flat track up the top where there's no jumps and it's just flat, and there's a lot of corners and a lot of straights, and that's a lot of fun as well. And
it's a fantastic facility here too, isn't it? They've got a canteen, toilets, and of course it's always got medical staff out here when you're out riding. So it's a great place to bring the family like we have to enjoy the day.
And the track's always prepped very well as well.
So today the track has been a little bit hard packed and a little bit skatey, hasn't it, Cam?
Yeah, it has, just because of the sun, just dried it out a little bit.
Yeah, it's been a hot day out here, hot and windy day as well. So changed our riding conditions a little bit, just rolling the throttle on. I've actually got the black plug in the 450, so that mellows it out a little bit, doesn't give it such quite a big hit for the ride. You really got to be on your toes out there, don't you, Cam?
Yeah, sure do.
Well, Rob's been so generous, he's opened the park up for us. We've had a ride on the intermediate track, we've had a ride on the big track out there.
And the junior track with
Tara. And the junior track with Tara as well. And Tara's has been on all 3 junior tracks that they've got here.
My favourite part of the day is probably you 2 riding with me and going on the junior track.
I've seen you doing a bit of jumps out there too.
Yeah, that was really fun.
What made you want to do the jumps?
I don't know, I just saw you and Cameron doing it, so I thought, why didn't I give it a try?
Cam, tell me mate, what's it like on the 250 now?
It's different. Obviously it's a lot heavier, but it's so much fun. Just still getting used to it, but again, it's a very enjoyable bike to ride.
Well guys, we don't have much of the day left. You keen to go for another ride?
Definitely.
Yeah, I am too. I'm going to wrap this up. We're going to hit the track again and see if I can't cut Cam off and teach you a few more pointers, Taz. We'll see you guys next time. It's been fantastic. Get your family out riding. It really is a great day.